Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn that how you can enter data by using the enter data option in Power BI and then how you can edit that data. So first of all, you have to open the Power BI blank report and after that you are going to select this option enter data. Now it will open this kind of interface which is basically telling you to create a table. Here you can add as many columns as you like and as many rows as you like, and then you can also rename it. So I'm going to rename this column to ID, then column 2 to first name, and then third column to last name. After that I'm going to enter my IDs. And then I will put first names and last names. You can also delete rows by right clicking on any row you want, and then you can also add any row you want by selecting this plus option. After that, simply you are going to load the table. Here you go, we have successfully loaded the table into our Power BI report. You can view the data table by this option. This is the table that we have successfully imported into our Power BI report for performing the visualizations. But what if you want to edit that table? So there are two options to edit that table. First option is you are going to stay in the Home tab. Here you are going to select Transform Data and then Transform Data option. It is going to open Power Query Editor where you will perform transformation on your data. And another way of editing this data is by right clicking on the table right here and then choosing Edit Query option. It is again going to open Power Query Editor. Here you can perform various transformations you want, but we want to edit the data inside the table. So we are going to go to this option right here, which is a settings button. We are going to click it. Here you go. Right here you can add more columns and more data to your table. And then you are going to select OK. And after making the transformation, you always have to select this option Close and Apply in Power Query Editor. That's all. You have now successfully edited the table and you can view it here. Here you go. So it was that easy to enter data manually in Power BI report. And I hope you found this video informative. See you in the next video.